When you've finished making your awesome cat, I would like you to open up a new tab and I would like you to visit Thingiverse.com. Make sure that you signed into Thingiverse because we started this last week and we just had to wait for our verification emails. If you haven't taken care of your verification email, look for it now in your account. Remember, it may be in the spam account, so double check that. Once you get signed into your MakerBot or your Thingiverse account, look for the little U button up here. I want you to make sure you find that. And then let's learn how to use Thingiverse. So first, there are always options of what they want to highlight, which those don't change as much as they used to, but they're still pretty cool. Notice here they've got a Thingiverse featured with Love is in the Air because it's almost Valentine's Day. You've got one more day before that. In that, there are cool collections like Valentine's Day collections. So you have chances to earn prints in modular technology, and if you earn a print, you can request them from this page by sharing the link to the one you want to go to. So say you thought this heart trap was cute, which it is interesting, you have to double check first to make sure it is a one-piece part. So if we look at this, it is a one-piece part, so it's not going to move. But it is pretty doggone cool, and you could request this print by sharing this link and saying, hey, Mr. Harmon, I won the free 3D print for whatever day, and this would be your chance to get it. You can also just search for epic things, like say you're a big fan of cats. Today we designed our cat. This lets you search for all the other amazing cats that people have created. This one is amazing because there are cats inside cats. As you look through these, you would have to request which one you wanted from the style if you chose this. It's actually got a hole, so it wasn't really a cat inside a cat. But there are so many amazing things that you can search for by simply typing the topic you want. So I put lions, and I get sea lions, and I get Detroit lions. And there are just so many amazing things. Dragons. So all I'd like you to do right now is spend a little time searching, and then if you find something you think is awesome, I want you to collect it. Collecting it is simple as saying that you want it. When you click collect, it asks where you want to put it. I'm going to put one in a new one called Things to Make, and I'm going to save it. And that is how you collect your items. Real quickly, let's also search for me. Search for The Roar. And then when you find The Roar, this is my ModTech set of things I've built. If you would click on me, and if you would choose follow, that way you can keep track of the cool things I build, and you'll also be able to help me as you build cool things as well. The last thing that I'm going to share with you is if you find something that you think is amazing, you can also click on it, say you like it, so double check that it's cool. You can click on the little blue picture and do Thing View. This lets you drag and look at it in every angle. When you're done, you can hit Exit, and then you can add this to Classroom so people can check it out. So simply go to our class, go to the class comments down at the bottom. Make sure you tell us what it is. So this is a love sign. And then if you paste the link, people will be able to click on that link and check out the cool things that you share. So, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure the whole world knows the cool things that are available on Thingiverse. I'm